Hello, Oakland. Well, it's exactly 1 week since Governor Pritzker announced orders to stay home, and I don't know about you, but it sure feels a lot longer than that. And we're just getting started. The coronavirus cases in Illinois continue to increase every day, and just today alone we have 488 new cases reported. And as long as these numbers are increasing, we're going to be stuck at home like this. So I need everyone, yes, everyone, kids, grandparents, everyone in between, stay home as much as possible. And if you do have to go out for essential errands, keep 6 feet distance between you and other people. Parents, please, you are responsible for knowing where your kids are and what they are doing. Do not let them gather with their friends. It is dangerous and people could be dying from this. The hospital wanted me to reach out to residents and tell them that stopping the spread by staying at home is so critical. If you feel sick, stay home and self-quarantine for 14 days until your symptoms go away. Common symptoms are fever, dry cough, trouble breathing, and if your symptoms don't subside or if they get extreme, check with your doctor, and if necessary, then come to the ER. They're setting up a special triage area so they can make sure that only the people who need to be in the hospital are there. If your symptoms aren't severe enough, they're just going to send you home. Many residents are asking me, when can I get tested? Where are the testing stations going to be? The hospital wanted me to tell you that at this point in time, they're not really testing people who are up and walking around and feeling okay. The virus is out in the community, and testing is only being done right now on the sick people who have been placed in the hospital. Use online and virtual doctor's visits whenever possible. Remember, even the cleanest clinic can still be spreading the virus. So this is the time to please reach out to neighbors, friends, elderly that you may know. Check in on them. Ask if they're doing okay. How are they feeling? Do they need anything? Do they have enough to eat? A little care with each other will go a long way in keeping us healthy. And even though Village Hall is closed for regular business, we've been pretty busy behind the scenes on your behalf. We have already submitted the paperwork to FEMA for financial assistance. I've participated on calls with our governor's office, and area mayors have these conference calls where hundreds of local mayors jump on these calls. Every level of government is providing us information, and we're putting that to work in the community right away. If you haven't done so already, there's a website, smart911.com. Please go there, register you, your family, and your business for community alerts. It takes just a few seconds to do. It's a very dynamic and fluid situation, and it's critical that we can reach all of you quickly. Please do this. It is the smart thing you can be doing to keep you and your family safe. Our senior bus service is temporarily discontinued. This is for safety reasons. Tree trimming is being temporarily discontinued as well. Please stay away from the parks. Our police will enforce social distancing requirements. They are ready to write $500 citations to violations. This is to protect the public. Please flush only toilet paper down toilets. Starting on Monday, our waste hauler is not going to be picking up yard waste or bulky items. They still will take the containers, but only items in the containers. So regular garbage and recycling, they will be leaving on the curb anything that they would have to go out and pick up. They're not going to be leaving the trucks starting on Monday. Oakland has 3 food pantries served by 5 local churches. Faith Lutheran at 97th and Melvina's next date is April 4th. Pilgrim Faith at 9411 South 51st Avenue has Tuesdays and Saturdays from 10 a.m. to noon. And Oakland Community Church runs a food pantry out of Bridgeview on Wednesdays from 12 to 2. That address is 7902 South Oquito. This week alone, our schools have provided nearly 8,000 meals for our children out of Richards, Simmons, and Oakland hometown middle schools. Please check the school websites for specific information and procedures. Pretty much anyone under 18 can get a free breakfast and lunch every day. It's a wonderful program. Thank you to them. The village is updating its website continually, and there's quite a bit of useful information there. Remember, that website is oakland-il.gov. We're compiling a list of businesses that are open, and that should be live soon. The Oakland Chamber of Commerce has an amazing website, oaklandchamber.com, and Facebook page with local business information there. Let's support these businesses. The state of Illinois has a great page with continually updated information specific to Illinois at coronavirus.illinois.gov. Lastly, if you're a licensed healthcare worker of any kind and you're interested in helping, please go to illinoisserves.net and register yourself. As the situation escalates, it's going to be all hands on deck, and this type of registry will allow for coordinated effort where care is needed most critically. So they're looking for, again, any licensed healthcare worker, not just doctors and nurses. So illinoisserves.net. Folks, the only way we're going to get through this and get on with life as it used to be is to slow this down. The only way this is going to slow down is for us to stay at home, keep social distances in stores, gas stations, when we're on errands, remind others to do the same. If you do see large groups congregating, or if you have concern about something, please call the police non-emergency number. It is 708-422-8292. The police will check it out. We're still collecting donations outside our police desk at Village Hall. There's a receptacle there if you have personal protective equipment or PPE, masks, gloves. Any donations of those types are much appreciated between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Thank you sincerely to everyone who's already made donations. We are in awe of you. That's about it for today. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, and let's get through this together.